Let's have a little chit chat about pump flanges. If you follow me for a while, you know that I am obsessed with finding the correct size flange to make sure you have a more comfortable, more efficient breast pumping session. And I want to talk today about pump flange shape. So these are all the same diameter. These are all 17 millimeter flanges. We know from new research that the actual size pump flange you need will be somewhere in between the measurement of the base of your nipple and the tip of your nipple, or the base and the face, as I like to now call it. So if you hear old school recommendations of measure the base and add 2 to 3 millimeters, that's old, not based on anything. It's not actually based on research. New research says measure the base of the nipple and the tip of your nipple, and your actual true pump flange size will be somewhere between that number. But everybody's breast size, shape, angle is different because bodies are unique. So the measurement is the start. Then we start looking at how that flange approaches the breast. So in hard plastic flanges, which in my experience, I'm finding more people actually do need hard plastic and much smaller, there's all kinds of shapes, okay? So this is kind of your traditional shape. It's this wedge-like shape, but there's also crater flanges that have a softer approach to the breast. There are panel flanges, which have a wider angle and a soft cushion, and there's what May Mom calls comfy. These are kind of a triangular shape. They're much steeper in this angle. So how these approach the breast, even though these are all the same diameter, will feel different on different anatomy. So for instance, if you have a regular kind of round perky breast, and you're trying to put this triangle on there, you're not actually going to be able to get that nipple into your flange tunnel. So you might need something like a crater flange. Look at how much better that fits inside there, right? Because this is going to cup and approach the breast very different. Now, some people will still do better on the original 24 hard plastic flange with an insert. This is the Pump In Pretty. It's going to bring the tunnel to the breast. Or they might do okay with just a regular silicone insert in there, where they just need to shrink down the diameter of that tunnel. There are also silicone flanges. So these types of flanges, when we pull them back, we can actually get that nipple nice and deep in that tunnel so that we have better contact with the breast. So if you know your measurement, but it's not quite perfect, there might be a different flange in the same size to work for you. Now you know.